Ano na yan?
It's okay, it's okay. Help niya daw. Chloe, sige na, okay.
Mamili ka, mamili ka.
Thank you.
Okay, mag-play tayo ng music din. Gusto mo music pa rin? Wow! Palas kaya nila.
Yeah, it's okay. Sabi niya lang, they will help Chloe.
Let Chloe open it. Hey, Naya, That's from
No.
you, Naya.
This one from Anaya.
Ay, sapatos pala eh. Dal!
Wait, who is it from?
Wow! Franco!
Oh, it's from
Ha? Sabi mo?
Who?
here. Lucky.
So cute! All cute!
TD.
Ah! Sabi mo kay Didi.
Gusto niya.
Titi, Tito, Bayo.
Tita.
You're not Pebble from Danny's World.
Meron na sa ano
I
pa.
thought that was from Danny's World.
Oh, the best and don't
Kasi hanggang Pasko na yan eh. Wala nang magregalo sa kanya sa Pasko.
Hanggang Christmas na yan, Chloe.
Until Christmas na yan, Chloe.
Oh, kanina yan. Pasayaw mo na, kanina.
Ready, Chloe.
Wait, that's happy birthday from Tita Eric.
Kanina yan.
Guys, someone's helping.
Johan.
Tita Eric daw.
Oh, talaga
Happy
pinaka-
birthday.
Wait,
Ay, cute! Kaya. Ah!
Wow, gusto niya. Mahilig sa arts nila.
open this. Oh my god.
Oh, that's from, ayun yung clear.
Kanina.
Chloe.
Oh, may sulat
Mukhang
na.
kay Ate Susan. Mukhang sulat ni Ate Susan.
Ay, may sulat.
Wait, maybe there's a pack.
Ay, baka kung meron ka dyan sa...
Lantay.
Oh my god. Wait.
Cute! Kayo na galing yan yung cat. Ah, cute po siya.
Here, I can read it. Chloe, oh my god. Happy birthday.
Oh, may na-blend na.
As you grow up. I thought that's a way. It's so cute.
Pusa ulit.
Basta pusa, nakikita lang talaga siya.
Yeah. Oh! You got it?
Ukay-ukay na. Pinag-ukay-ukay na yun.
Hindi na nalaman na kasi nagaling.
Ay, ito yan, galing.
Lucky! Oh, I'm a bit plushie toy. I'm going to plushie toy.
Sana talaga mga bata sa mga.
Sa mga ganyan.
Masaya sila
Stitch! Well, open it,
You know, we
Stitch!
can define that.
Open it, Stitch! Oh, it's
Si Raja na po, si Gigi na gusto buksan yung, ano yung egg.
Yes, girl! Look, I'll put the wrapping paper.
Ano regalo natin kay Chloe?
Oh, that's not Stitch.
Gusto niya buksan. Ayan, there's one more Gigi behind you. One more.
Where?
Wow.
Wait, there's one more too over there.
Oh, this one.
Oh, and this. I think.
Ay, yung bakala. Akala ko kayo nandito si na Agnes. Ito ko yung friend nila. Si Josh pa rin nagdala nga pala.
Ano yun? Wow!
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 Nasa kay Gigi yan.
Oh, there's more.
Ang nanay ang gusto.
This is in where?
Nasa kay Bobby.
No one.
Ano yung malaki niya?
Where is more?
Galing yung kaya ng
Where's Kate?
Wow!
Ay, kaya na siya.
Ang ganda!
Kasal kay Gigi.
Gigi, Chloe, and Callie all have the same thing.
Ano pangalan?
How about
Ako
that?
ba ka
Sige pa pa.
Why does everyone listen so much?
Yan, this is.
Where's Kate's
Ikaw ang
one?
opening.
Take another. Yan.
Where's Kate?
Kate, where's your gift?
I gave it to Chloe. Chloe, where'd you put
Where?
it? I don't know.
Is a card?
Ano?
Card?
What?
Andyan lang yan.
What is that?
Chloe, what did you say?
Wait.
Isa ka naman na ya?
Yeah.